It's probably the biggest special marine warning ever issued.
Visibility 123.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Cape Henlopen, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles, including over Falls Shoal, Atlantic City Reef, Barnegat Light, Beach Haven, Brigantine, Cape May Point, Cape May Reef, Deepwater Reef, Fort Trevor, Harvey Cedars,
The hell?
Little Inlet, Manasquan Inlet, Monmouth Beach, North Beach Haven, Sea Bright, Seaside Park, Ship Bottom, Lumpin Wildwood Reef, until 11:15 p.m. At 9:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line containing numerous thunderstorms in eastern New Jersey heading toward the coast at 40 knots, producing winds in excess of 34 knots. These strong thunderstorms will otherwise remain away from significant coastal landmarks over the indicated areas. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for northeast New Jersey. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.
The coastal waters forecast.